Hello guys, so today we are going to start with a new lecture series of software engineering. So let's check out the video. As you can see that software engineering consists of two words and both of them have their individual meanings. And in order to understand software engineering, we have to know about software and engineering first. Let's understand the meaning of software first. So basically software is the program or the set of programs which is used to accomplish a desired task. For example, if you want to prepare a presentation, fine, you want to build a presentation, so what will you do? You will go on MS PowerPoint and create your presentation. So here MS PowerPoint is the example of software. Fine. So now let us see the meaning of engineering. Engineering basically is the process of building something that serves a particular purpose. Fine. So combining both, software engineering is the process of analyzing or combining the user's requirement first. You visit to the user and arrange or gather all its requirement using any document, or you can say that SRS, and then creating a program, a set of programs which is known as the software. This software meets all the requirement of the user. This is basically the process of software engineering. Fine. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Thank you.